Don't speed up though, because we gotta keep it at a certain speed. There you go. Good morning, little school girl. Can I go home with you? Tell your mama and your papa that I'm a little schoolboy too. Good morning, little school girl. Can I go home with you? Tell your mama and your papa that I'm a little schoolboy too. Good morning, little school girl. Can I go with you? Ooh, ooh, wee. You know what? I'm gonna buy me an airplane. I'll fly all over go town. I'm gonna tell everybody, baby, that Lord knows so fine. I can't stand it back. I just can't help myself. You're so young and pretty, but you're loving somebody. Good morning, little school girl. Can I go with you? Ooh, ooh, wee. Good morning, little school girl. Can I go home with you? Tell your mama and your papa I'm a little schoolboy too. Good morning, little school girl. Can I go home with you? Tell your mama and your papa that I'm a little schoolboy too. Good morning, little school girl. Can I go with you? Ooh, ooh, wee. Good morning, little school girl. 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 Then I'll go home with you. Good morning, little school girl. Good morning, little school girl. Good morning, little school girl. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good night. Good night. I want to thank everybody here at Heliogàbal. This is a beautiful, beautiful venue. I want to thank the sound man, Miguel. I'd like to thank Artur for taking such good care of us. And especially to my man, the DJ, Kiko Amat. On the wheels of steel. Kiko! Are you gonna play again? Here he goes.